Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone vibrate continuously. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first option you have is to swipe down from the top, and we're going to look for that volume icon. You can see I can press and hold on the volume icon, and then I can get to sounds and vibration and just switch this over to vibrate. If you don't see that, you can also just hop into the settings and then go to sounds and vibration and turn on vibrate. However, this means it will vibrate when you get a call or text. If you want it to vibrate all the time, no matter what, you need, unfortunately, a third-party app. But there are some great third-party apps to be able to do this. All you need to do is go into the Google Play Store, and we're going to just type in Vibrate, and you'll be able to see a bunch of different apps. You can see this very top one. I've installed it. All I need to do is open it. And now after we've done that, you can see press the button, and just like that, it will start to vibrate. I can also tap on patterns here, and I can change the pattern from infinity to a heartbeat to a storm, etc. Some of them are paid for versions, and you can see the intensity I can change as well as the speed on that vibration, and it will continuously run and vibrate until I manually turn it off. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.